Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A72 and today I would like to show you how you can change device theme on this device. First of all, you need to go into settings, then scroll down, click on themes. And over here, all you need to do is tap on the loop at the top right corner and type whatever you want to, for example space. Then pick theme that you like the best, for example that one, and choose free, or in some cases download. Theme of your device will change after you log in. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!